Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna's Scholars. In this video we will talk about different types of mushrooms. Mushrooms are fascinating fungi that come in a wide variety of shapes, sizes and colors, known for their culinary, medical and ecological importance. Mushrooms are a staple in cuisines worldwide and play a critical role in maintaining ecological balance. While some mushrooms are edible and packed with nutrients, others can be toxic. Below are 20 types of mushrooms that range from common culinary favorites to unique wild varieties. Button mushroom, the most commonly consumed mushroom, often used in salads, soups, and pizzas. Cremini mushroom, a slightly mature version of the button mushroom with a firmer texture and deeper flavor. Portobello mushroom, the fully mature form of the button mushroom, known for its meaty texture and smoky flavor. Shiitake mushroom, a popular choice in Asian cuisine, prized for its rich umami flavor. Oyster mushroom, named for its oyster-like shape. This mild and versatile mushroom is great in stir fries. Enoki mushroom, long and thin with a mild, slightly crunchy texture, often used in soups and salads. Chanterelle mushroom, a wild golden yellow mushroom with a nutty, peppery flavor. Morel mushroom, a prized wild mushroom with a honeycomb-like structure and earthy flavor. Porcini mushroom, an Italian favorite known for its robust flavor and used in risottos and soups. Maitake mushroom, also called hen of the woods, valued for its medical properties and savory taste. Lion's mane mushroom, a unique shaggy mushroom known for its seafood-like flavor and potential brain-boosting benefits. King oyster mushroom, the largest of the oyster mushroom family with a thick meaty stem. Black trumpet mushroom, a rare dark mushroom with a smoky rich flavor. Reishi mushroom, a medical mushroom known for its immune boosting and stress reducing properties. Turkey tail mushroom, a medicinal mushroom with colorful fan-like layers used in teas and supplements. Shaggy mane mushroom, a delicate wild mushroom often found in grassy areas with a mild flavor. Honey mushroom, a wild mushroom with a sweet flavor often growing in large clusters. Wood ear mushrooms, a jelly-like mushroom popular in Asian cooking known for its crunchy texture. Puffball mushroom, a round edible mushroom that is best consumed when young and fresh. Fly agaric, a brightly colored red and white mushroom known for its toxic hallucinogenic properties. Mushrooms are incredibly diverse, ranging from culinary delicacies to medicinal powerhouses and even toxic varieties. They not only enhance dishes with their unique flavors and textures, but also contribute to ecosystem as decomposer and nutrient recycles. Understanding different types of mushrooms help us appreciate their role in nature and their value in gastronomy and health. Whether for food or science, mushrooms remains a captivating subject in the natural world. I hope you will like this video. So kindly like, subscribe and share my channel. I will meet you in the next video with next topic. Until then, take care and goodbye.